Hey guys, Dan Lawson here with AB Homes. We are standing in front of a Sussex model today. I am super excited to show it to you, so why don't you come on inside, let's take a look. Welcome to the Sussex, one of AB Homes' largest floor plans. It's 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Starts out around 2,900 square feet. So one of the cool things about the Sussex is when you open up the front door, you got a nice open foyer with an overlook. Kind of gives you that kind of grand entrance. Over to the left-hand side here, when you come through the door, this is a flex space. Some people set it up as a dining area. We've seen it as kids' playrooms, but we added the French doors. Really nice touch. They did the chair rail and the wainscoting. So as you walk in this section of the home, you normally have a laundry room and a half bath for your guests. What these folks did was they relocated the half bath to over on the other side of the hallway over here, and then made a really nice large laundry room. As you go down the hallway over here, the Sussex has a really large primary bedroom, large walk-in closet. Not only does the Sussex have a really nice large primary, also has a really nice bathroom as well. So this house has a 5-foot soaker tub, and normally this home would have a 4-foot shower. They upgraded to a 5-foot tile shower in this particular house. So these folks had a vision of removing the half bath from this side of the house and moving it over here. So as you enter the kitchen area and the eating area, you're gonna notice a very large island. This is the biggest island that we have ever put in one of our AB homes. Normally you would have your kitchen with an island, and then you would have an eat-in area over here in the space that the island is sticking into. The folks that we built this house for, they love to cook, they love to prepare food, and they don't really plan on having a formal eating area. So they just wanted a really large food prep area. Well, AB Homes being who we are, we were quick to accommodate. Normally in the Sussex, this would be the back wall of the house, and you have a door here going out to a patio. The buyers for this home decided to add a large sunroom on the back of the house. They also opened this up a little bit. Just another example of AB Homes being able to accommodate our buyer's vision. Out of the sunroom, open to the kitchen, you have a nice living room. So with these folks, they opted to do the stone fireplace. One of the things that people really like about AB Homes' Sussex model is the loft area. Whenever we designed this home, we kind of had a thought that, you'd have 4 bedrooms, 1 on each corner, each with a nice walk-in closet. So everybody had their private space, but then you also had an area where you could congregate. Most people set this up as an entertainment area. Most people put their video game systems or a TV and a little couch up here. On one side of the house, we have a Jack and Jill bathroom, and then on the other side, we have a hall bath. So 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2,984 square feet. It's got a lot of room for you to spread out. So thanks for your time and checking out the Sussex model from AB Homes. We love what we do. We have a lot of fun with it. We like to build your dreams in every home. So if you'd like to learn more about the new construction from AB Homes, please give us a call. You can reach us at 757-435-9900 or find us on the web at abhomesva.com. Give us a call. Love to talk to you.